Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt here in my next painting video, and I'm back with another video in my Sri Lankan acrylic painting series. Now today I'll be painting a picture of Dodandua beach near Galle in Sri Lanka, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So to begin with, I had primary blue to the corners of the sky and worked my way downwards using acrylic white, getting lighter and lighter towards the horizon line. Then I had a row of trees using a light green, and then I used lighter greens on top to highlight the parts of the leaves reflecting in the sunlight, and then I had some distant rocks using a greyish tone, and then I add the water using a dark blue in the distance and getting lighter towards the foreground, and I also add the parts of the foam where the highlights will go on top. Now I begin working on the reflections in the sand where the water has washed onto the beach and receded. I'm doing this using a mixture of dark brown and light blue. And finally I add the beach using a golden tone in acrylics. Now I add some shadows using brown, and then I add some highlights using lighter yellows. Then I add the rocks using a mixture of dark grey, and then I add the highlights on top using lighter colours such as light oranges, light yellows, and even light greens. Light greens are for the mosses. Now I add the highlights to the water, and I use oil paints to touch up the painting and touch up the beach and the foam. And then it's finally done. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Crashing Waves at Dodandua Beach. And as always, don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.